So there you have the review of the 1980s M.A.S.K, Jackhammer,
Right.
with Cliffdagger.
That is the driver of the Jackhammer. It's that guy right there, Cliffdagger, with his helmet, Torch. So, this, like I said, if you took G.I. Joe and Transformers and you put them, you smash them together, this would pretty much be the outcome. Would be a cartoon called M.A.S.K. That's what we thought in the 1980s. Even though, it was something different. But we're talking about vehicles that transformed. And then you're talking about another party of the whole entourage of the vehicle is the driver. So it's different, but it was a very neat, nobody ever thought about having vehicles that transformed into assault weapons. Yeah, it's only stuff that you would see in the movies. But, to us, that's what we was thinking when we saw this. It's a great concept. I feel in my heart, if they ever decided to make a movie today, it would be very neat to watch. Okay, because of the technology is there today. Back then, technology was still, it was there, but it's not as good as what it is today. They can absolutely do something with this and make it look like it should. And, if they could do that with Transformers, they can definitely do it with M.A.S.K. There's no doubt in my mind. It's just a matter of when. But that's the subject of, whoops, remains to be changed, and I just knocked it off. So anyway, there we go, and it's still going. It's still going. Y'all check this out. It's still going. Anyway. Yeah. And let's see. Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Put it on there. Oh, well, that'll work. That's good. That's good. Hey, we appreciate y'all. And we hope that y'all enjoyed it. We just tried to make a little light of the day of whatever day you're having. So, had a little fun. Did a little review from the past. My past. And, y'all have a good one. We appreciate y'all. And tomorrow or sometime this weekend, we will be going to the Comic-Con. So there is plenty of footage that we're going to be uploading from that.
Yes.
So.
And like y'all saw from the intro of us in front of the camera, you did saw on our shirts with my logo.
Yes.
We are going to be wearing these at Comic-Con.
Right.
Tomorrow.
So we'll be spreading the word about the channel and just talking with other people like-minded and just seeing what's out there and just having a grand old time. Seeing what other booths are out there and just saying hi to folks and hi to people and hi to everybody else.
And hopefully my dad doesn't like repeat like Beaumont Comic-Con like he did last year.
Like last year, yeah, there was a whole lot of that in there, and I need to not put it as much, maybe once or twice, but that should be about it. So, hey, we appreciate y'all. And I'm going to let Colton wrap it up. Thanks for watching this review from the 1980s M.A.S.K line.
From my dad's childhood. And that has been the review of the 1980s M.A.S.K Jackhammer.
Yes.
With Cliffdagger.
Very good. And what's his helmet? His helmet's name?
Torch.
Very good.
And his helmet named Torch. And if y'all like this video, give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more.
You know you like the video. You know you want to subscribe. So do it.
And if you want to check out some other videos you may have missed, there's a playlist set up on my YouTube channel, including the M.A.S.K playlist, because this will be on the M.A.S.K playlist. So I think that's about it. So thanks for watching.